Senator Hassan Omar, one of the things that the opposition has said is that they're going to move a motion to impeach the president.
Yes.
And do you find or do you think that this is valid, number one? And number two, does it meet the threshold of actually impeaching the president?
Yeah, breach of the Constitution meets the threshold of impeachment. So you'll have an opportunity in the National Assembly to debate it and discuss it. Yeah, because you see, what happens is I don't expect you to vote for the motion. In fact, when we factored it in, we knew that you will not vote for it. So this is a very obvious thing. But you see, what happens is to back that narrative. You see what happens with the day when that motion will be brought on board. Kenyans will be listening to the debate. Kenyans, whether there is a tyranny of numbers or tyranny of, whatever tyranny they are there, intellect is on our side. I cannot, there is nothing that manifests intellect on your side. Nothing.
Let him finish.
Yeah, there's nothing that manifests. I didn't realize Githinji is such a heckler. I used to think, because he has interrupted everybody every other time he's spoken. So I think intellect is a preserve of the Code Coalition so far. Demonstrably, in terms of even public conduct.
Okay, to the point.
So what will happen is we will prosecute this matter. And I think what they're doing is through Mbadi and his leadership, they are trying to now collect, to put together the kinds of transgressions that we are talking about. And therefore Kenyans will be able to make judgments. And I think I will insist personally that there are other breaches that need to be considered of the Constitution, possibly, including, you remember when you were not there then, when we tasked your late brother to chair a committee of the Senate that was to propose proposals. And then we went to court for advisory opinion. The president signed into law an unconstitutional bill, which became law at that time. So I think there are so many grounds of impeachment of the presidency, to the point where I'm happy that we will hear the counter debate. So we will not preempt the substance of it. I've seen part of the substance being generated, and it will be for Githinji and his team to make.